Your one bus stop solution provider is here, building seamless solution that will provide real-time solution to the user's issue. Okay, so here again I'm building an automated cloud hosting environment, that will solve a whole lot of problems, not just the hosting hassle but also the forex hassle, because over time I understand that making payment to most of all these cloud environments is actually stressful. Getting your virtual card, refunding your card, it takes a while to reflect, you make payment and all that. So yeah, we are here to bridge that gap by building a seamless solution whereby you pay in your own currency, and it converts through Paystack and will receive the fund. So if you are in Ghana, you are in Tanzania, you are in Europe, you can make payment in your own currency and it converts and gets to us. And you can also pay through stablecoin, you can also pay through stablecoin, crypto and all that. Okay, so yeah, let's go. It's just a 3-way step for my real programmers, people that doesn't want to waste time and launch, people that just want to buy their script, already made script from Web Oracle Shrine. We'll go to Web Oracle Shrine, you get your script, you just come here, upload it, and boom, your site is live. Your site is live. Just 3 steps. Go to Web Oracle Shrine, www.weboracleshrine.net. Buy any script of your choice, already made script. So we've pre-installed scripts for you, be it whatever you're looking for. We'll just already pre-build it for you. So what you just come is you make payment, download it, go to Web Oracle host, run install, and your site is live. Put the name you want and your site is live. So if you have a domain somewhere else, you can just bring in your own domain, connect it to us and point it here, and your domain is live. Okay, or you can also buy domain from us if you want and all that. This is a cloud-based environment, no hassles. It automates. It's built on a serverless environment, so no, if you're not using your website, you're not incurring any cost. Okay, so the era of you just paying for 1 year and you don't use your website, you keep paying, it's over. So pay for what you use, pay as you go. Okay, so let me run you through the process. So this is just a dashboard, so you can get your domain from here. You search if it's available. Okay, this is taking, then it shows that it's taking. If it's available.ed.com.io.co. okay, you can also bring in your own domain. If you have your domain, you can just quickly input it here, get started, connect, verify, and you are up. Just 3. Everything is narrowed down to 3 functions. Every action on my site is narrowed down to 3 functions. You make payments, upload your site, and your site is live. Boom, you come here, you enter your domain, add your DNS record, we verify, and your site is boom. Okay, so how does it work? You come, choose up a starter plan, you register. So what do you want to build? You want to build WordPress site, React, Node.js, full stack, e-commerce, and all that. So for the starter plan, it's cheap. So I'm just doing a landing page, a website for just, this is optional. You can just put description. Okay, so you continue to payment. So it takes you here. So by default, it makes payment through Paystack or through crypto. But due to our test purpose, I will be bypassing that. I just created this button so that we can just test the website, test how functional it is before we go live. Okay, so I'm going to just bypass the payment and just click here, pay. So the fun part of it, once you click pay, it creates your dashboard. So it shows you what has been allocated to you, your PVC, your memory, your starter plan, and all that. So so all you need to do is, it has shown your MySQL. It has created automatically, created your database. Everything is automated. So all you just come here is upload your file. You can drag and drop. So I'm also improving it where you can also copy and paste code. I'm also going to build that functionality. so it can make it seamless. You can just copy and paste. Okay, so once you're here, you come up here, you look for your file. Okay, you look for your file. You can just search. Okay. You search for the file. You're still searching. You're still searching. You're still searching. We have a whole lot of files I've been working on. Okay, so a whole lot. So which one am I gonna choose? The whole lot of I'm looking for so where's the file? I can't see the file. Okay. I think I don't know how to find it. Let me do this. Let me just click on this. I don't know if that's a file, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. You click deploy. It automatically deploys and instantly your site is live. So you can see here your site is live. So you just come, you click your website, and boom, your site is live. So this is actually a construction site I'm building for someone. You know, I've actually built this you know, instantly your site is live. 3-way option, make payment, deploy, and your site is live. Okay, so yeah, reach out. We are still building. This is a building in progress, so we'll still be getting better. So watch this space as we build together. Okay, wow, the site is live. Boom, this is the second site. Okay, this is actually the third site, and this is boom. So I went live. You just come here, click, and boom. This is actually a club I'm building for someone. Backyard United. You know, I'm the current speaker of Backyard United. We have our chairman of Backyard. You know, I'm actually still building this. Okay, this is actually the site I'm building, so I just use it to test. Because the aim is once you're building, you are deploying fast. You know, once you're building, you are deploying fast. Because that's the roadmap. Okay, we're coming with a bang. Watch this space as we're doing an amazing things. Okay, yeah. So the site is live. 3 actions: make payment, upload, and your site is live. Woo! Hey, John. Papale.